Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the today's video, I will show you how to push the data into a related list in Zoho CRM using Zoho Forms. So in the today's video, I am going to show you a real-time automation use case, which is how to link a property with a deal automatically using Zoho Forms. So what is happening when in the CRM we have a deals module. So in the deals module I already created a properties custom module. So whenever I creating a deal, so I just go to the property related tab and click on the new and manually entry all the property listing details like name, location, status, type, price and against the deal which is linking to. So this is basically a manual entry, so it's little bit a time taking and also a lot of error or missing error or invalid data entries chances. To resolve this issue, we just automate the entries with the help of Zoho form. So now we open the Zoho Form application. So in the Zoho Form, I create a one new form. So I click on the new form. So in that, in with the help of that form, we creating a deal record, and whenever the deal record is created, we also created a property record. So I'll entering the form name, which is a property listing, and click on the create form. So against this is the lead. So that lead we have capturing a basic details like a deal name, against which the property listing is created. So this field is mandatory. Also entering the company name, contact name. So I'll creating the contact name field first. Contact name, in this field first name last name is mandatory to fill, and after that I added a company name. This field is also mandatory to fill, and after that also added a one more field which is called a email, which is a contact email. This is also marked as mandatory, and under the deals we also need a closing date. Closing date, and it is autofill as a date of response. If I submitted the form today, then it's showing the today's date in that fields. Once I enable that checkbox autofill date of response and click save, and after that I also added a one currency field to capturing the deal amount. So this field I choose the currency is Indian rupees. Yeah, two decimal places, save. And after that, my in the deals module, two fields are mandatory in my account, which is the stage and the pipeline. So I creating a two more fields. So I adding a one single line field, and enter the placeholder of that field is stage. And so I want whenever the deal is created, it's and that stage is approached. So I initialize the value as approached in that field, and set the visibility of the field is height, so it that field is not visible to the end users, and click on save. And the same way I created a one more field which is called a pipeline. So in the pipeline we also initialize the value and set the visibility is height, so it's not visible to the end user as well. And after that I added a one more page to capture the property informations. So I enter the property, page number name as property, save, and added a few name which is called a property name, which is also marked as mandatory to fill. Click on save. So as you mentioned, like for the manual entries, whatever the fields are required to capture the details, same fields we created under the Zoho form. In the same way, I added a more fields like a property location and its status. So it's ready or under construction. And also added the property type and mention the option like villa, plot, apartment. And after that we also added a build up area field. Yes, so now I created all the fields in the Zoho forms. So let's integrate first the Zoho form with the CRM application. So go to the integration tab. In the integration tab, click the Zoho CRM application. Click on the integrate button. Select the organization which is demo. Click on done and select my module which is called deals, standard layout, and mapping all the fields which is deal name, stage, pipelines. Set this field as mandatory as well, and also mapping the other fields which is closing date and the amount. Also mapping, yeah, so all the fields has been set up, and also mapping the lookup fields which is account based on the account name we just mapping the uh, company name, we mapping the account lookup fields. So if only the one record matches, then fill it. If more than one recorded, then don't fill it. And if no record are match, then don't fill my lookup field, and done. In the same way we just map the contact lookup field under the deals configure, and we just fetching the contact details under the CRM based on the email address which is the contact email field inside the Zoho CRM application, and click on done. So yeah, so this or integration has been done for the deals module part. So in which I just check the action automation and process management and click on integrate. So deal automation has been completed successfully. After that I want to syncing the data under the property module which is linked to the deals module. Then in that case I go to the related list, and then I just select the module deals. In that deal I want to automate the entries under the properties module, and then I map all the fields like a property name, location, type, Price is amount, build up area, status. Yeah, so all the necessary fields has been a map in that integration. Now I also attachment in the mapping, I also check the property image. There is no image which I added, then I just skip it. Then I check the automation and process and click on the integrate. So my Zoho Form integration with the Zoho CRM application has been successfully configured. So now test the process again. So once I click on the access form, my form has been open into the new tab. So I just added the deal name as Green Villa Property, enter my system contact. So I just test this deal automation for one of my accounts. So I just go to the accounts module, which is the Maruti Enterprises. So for this accounts, I just test it. So accounts name I enter under the company name, and that contact email ID I just used for the contact mapping purpose, and the enter the company name, contact name, and their email. Closing date is 3 May, so I just change it as 31st of May. Enter the amount, which is 1 lakh. Next, and enter the property name, Green Villa. So enter the location, which is stadium, and that status is under construction, and property type is villa. And I also enter the some square feet values here and click on submit. So I just submit this form. Now let's check under the CRM deals module and the property module, it's created the new entries or not. So let's click on the deals module. Now we have a 96 entries currently. So I just refresh the page again and check it works or not. Yeah, so Green Villa Property, it's now total records in 97. So it works correctly. Green Villa Property deal has been created successfully. So under that deal, account name lookup field is successfully mapped, contact name is mapped, closing date 31st, 1 lakh amount, and the stage is approached, pipeline is standard. Yeah, and against that deal, property details I has been captured as well. So I just open the property record into the new tab. So under the property name is Green Villa, location Maruti Stadium, 200 under construction, property type villa, and that price is 1 lakh, and which a deal against is a Green Villa property. So all the information has been captured correctly under the CRM application. So that automation is works correctly, and it helps to reduce the manual entries time. So I hope this video you found helpful. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye. Thanks.